Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best garage door sun shield is probably one of the most important accessories you never knew you needed for your garage door system. Direct sunlight can fry your garage door sensors, leading to malfunctions and safety hazards, leaving your garage door potentially inoperable or even causing it to close unexpectedly. But with a high-quality sun shield, you can protect your sensors from the elements and ensure they function reliably for years to come, providing peace of mind and preventing costly repairs. This video will help you choose the perfect sun shield to keep your garage door operating safely and efficiently. Number 5. Genie GSTB-R Safety Beam Kit. This kit ensures your Genie garage door opener is safe and reliable. It's the only approved sensor for optimal performance and safety. This kit is manufactured in the USA, ensuring high quality and adherence to safety standards. You can trust in its reliability. It's certified by UL Solutions, guaranteeing safety and compliance. Using unapproved beams can be dangerous. This kit is compatible with Genie garage door openers manufactured since 1993, models GSTB-R or STB-BL. It's a simple upgrade for enhanced safety. It uses an invisible infrared beam to detect obstructions. If something passes through the beam, it automatically reverses the door. It has a built-in alert system. A blinking red light pattern signals any installation or operational issues. Installation is easy, with included mounting screws and instructions. It's designed for a quick and straightforward setup. What we like. This is the only sensor officially approved for Genie garage door openers, ensuring safety and reliability. If you own a Genie opener and value certified safety, this is the best choice. It's made in the USA, guaranteeing high-quality materials and manufacturing. What people say. The Genie 34094R garage door opener replacement safety beam kit is the same as the previous 35048R kit, and is the perfect replacement for every Genie garage door opener that utilizes the safety beam sensors, all models manufactured from 1995 to current. This easy-to-install replacement kit includes the following items: both infrared eyes sensors, one with red LED and one with green LED, 2 safety beam sensor mounting brackets, bell wire for connecting sensors to opener unit, approximate 100 feet of wire included, mounting hardware, screws, washers and nuts, for brackets and sensors installation instructions. This is an OEM replacement for all Genie brand garage door openers built since 1993. I simply unscrewed the inoperative safety beams, photo sensors, disconnected the wiring, used the same screws and the same screw holes in the replacement units, reconnected the wiring, and immediately had a properly operating garage door opener. They are physically different and actually feel more substantial than the units these replaced. Also, they use Phillips head screw terminals rather than the less reliable push-in connections on the old units. Old 20+ years, photo beam sensors stopped working, so door did not operate properly. Replaced with these install was simple: remove old sensors brackets, install new bracket sensors, connect 2 wires to each, and operation of doors resumed as originally designed. Number 4. Chamberlain 820CB Safety Sensors. These sensors provide an extra layer of safety for your garage door. They're designed to reverse the door automatically if it encounters an obstruction, protecting your family and belongings. It's compatible with almost every Chamberlain garage door opener made since 1997, as well as many LiftMaster and Craftsman models. It's easy to install and use. These sensors are incredibly user-friendly. The low-profile design makes them less likely to be knocked out of alignment, and troubleshooting is a breeze. They're designed to automatically reverse the garage door if it detects an obstruction. This ensures the safety of children and pets. Installation is simple with the included mounting brackets and instruction manual. You'll also find extra wire for flexible positioning. The kit comes with everything you need: 2 sensors, mounting brackets, extra wire, and clear instructions. You'll be up and running in no time. What we like. This sensor boasts enhanced troubleshooting features for easy installation and use. Its low-profile design minimizes the risk of misalignment. If you need a reliable, user-friendly sensor compatible with various brands, this is the one for you. What people say. Moved into a new home and the previous owner told me the garage door would stick when it was cold and I had to hold down the garage close button. Once I moved in, I quickly realized the sensors were no good. He had the old style sensors, so I got these and had them spliced in and mounted in about 10 minutes. First open and close were successful, and a second test with a box in the way triggered the safety reverse, as they're supposed to. Excellent product. I connected these to a Chamberlain garage door opener. I had new garage doors installed about 3 to 4 years ago, and they functioned perfectly, including the safety sensors, from day one. Unfortunately, we recently started having problems with the garage doors closing in the later afternoon. It was pretty clear that the sun was shining directly into the safety sensors, which caused the lift motor to reverse. I did lots of internet research and found all kinds of hokey solutions, but none of those seemed reliable enough to protect me from the dreaded call from the teenagers, so I looked into the problem further, and it appears that long-term exposure to sunlight can cause the older generation of photoelectric safety sensors to deteriorate. I decided to replace the old sensors with these, hoping it would solve the problem. Good news. They did. I now had a buffer that would allow vertical movement if my marks were off. Once the install and electrical connections were complete, it was easy to verify the sensors were properly aligned. One sensor has an amber light and the other has a green light. Both lights are constantly on when things are properly aligned, and they flash if there is a problem, so easy to verify the install. The sensors fit perfectly and were fully compatible with my existing system. Status indicator lights are much brighter than the previous version. Included brackets worked like a charm. Number 3. 41A5034 Garage Door Sensor Kit. It's compatible with LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman garage door openers made after 1997. This makes it a simple replacement for many older systems. Replacing your old sensor is a snap. A detailed manual guides you through the process, and installation takes just minutes. Remember to disconnect the power first. It uses an invisible light beam to detect obstacles. If something is in the way, it automatically reverses the garage door, preventing accidents. The kit comes with everything you need: 2 sensors, wire connectors, mounting hardware, and clear instructions. You'll be ready to install it right away. We stand behind it with a 1-year warranty. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll provide prompt service. What we like. This is a universal replacement sensor compatible with many popular brands. It's incredibly easy to install, saving you time and effort. If you value convenience and a worry-free purchase, with a 1-year warranty, this is a great option. What people say. Installation was easy. Instructions were good. Worked great. Number 2. Garage Door Sensor Protector. This innovative protector shields your garage door sensors from the elements. It ensures reliable performance and extends the life of your sensors. It provides superior sun shade, preventing overheating and potential damage from direct sunlight. Keep your sensors working perfectly, season after season. This protector is designed to be compatible with LiftMaster and Chamberlain garage door sensors. It's a simple, yet effective solution for common sensor problems. It's made with pride in the USA, using high-quality materials for lasting durability. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. Installation is quick and easy, requiring no special tools or expertise. Get it installed in minutes and enjoy peace of mind. It ensures reliable performance of your garage door sensors, providing you with worry-free operation. Enjoy the convenience and security of a properly functioning garage door. What we like. This isn't a sensor, but a protector for your existing sensors. It shields them from sun damage, extending their lifespan. If you live in a sunny climate and want to maximize the life of your sensors, this is a must-have. What people say. Easy to install, inexpensive, and effective. Well made, easy to install, great directions BTW, and best of all, just works every single time. These have worked the first, every time. I cannot stress enough, these will save you from frustration and headache. Pure genius. Number 1. Linear Garage Door Opener Safety Sensors. Introducing Linear's safety sensors, providing an added layer of protection for your family and your vehicle. These sensors create an invisible beam, ensuring smooth and safe garage door operation. It's simple. They project an invisible light beam across the garage opening. If anything interrupts the beam, it immediately reverses the door, preventing accidents. These sensors offer peace of mind, helping to prevent accidents caused by obstructions in the garage door's path. It's a crucial safety feature for any garage. The kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. It comes with 2 sensors, wire connectors, and clear instructions. Please note, it's designed exclusively for linear garage door openers. It's a perfect aftermarket replacement for your existing system. This kit contains all the necessary components for a seamless installation. You'll receive 2 safety sensors, wire connectors, and detailed instructions for a straightforward setup. What we like. This sensor is specifically designed for linear garage door openers. It comes with pre-attached wires and is easy to install. If you have a linear opener and need a straightforward replacement, this is your best bet. What people say. Perfect replacement, easy install. No issues. They installed easily and work perfectly on my old opener. For several summers, sunlight shining on the carport concrete in front of the garage door sensors prevented door closures during certain times of the day except by holding down the manual close button until the door was fully closed. I put things on the sensors that helped by shading the sensors, but over time they stopped being effective. I just replaced the sensors, a 30-minute job, and the problem is resolved. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.